In this quick exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a dumbbell shrug. So firstly, feet hip width apart, pointed forwards. You want to start off with the dumbbells either side of your feet, and you're going to squat down firstly. Make sure you've got a nice straight back. Keep that straight back and chest up as you bring the weights up. And then from here, feet hip width apart again. When you're standing, chest up, shoulder blades back. So you want to pinch those shoulder blades back as far as they can go. Keep them pinched back as you bring your shoulders up. Keep your elbows straight and then come back down. So pinching the shoulder blades, keeping them pinched at all times throughout the movement. Shoulders up, big squeeze and slowly back down. Shoulders up, big squeeze, keep the arms straight and slowly back down. From a front-on view, shoulders up, squeeze at the top, keep the shoulder blades pinched and slowly back down. Once you've done your repetitions, you want to bring the weights down. So from here, hips back, keep the back straight, chest up, looking up, and bring the weights down nice and slowly under control. If you're somebody that struggles to get into the position when picking those weights up and putting them down, maybe you come into the position you can't quite keep that hip mobility, or alternatively your back is arching, find a weights bench, put the weights on the weights bench, and that way you can pick up the weights from a much taller position, put them back on the bench when you're done, and that's an easier version which is more energy efficient. That's how you do a dumbbell shrug, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.